Good morning everyone, and this is part 3 of Accent makeover. So today we are gonna make over this Accent with some decals. We brought some vinyl wraps, so we'll put now on it like my eon. So this is the car. So these two other colors we have chosen finally. So we will put it over there. So we'll start now with the time lapse, and let me show you how it is done. Okay, so first of all we will measure the decals like how we will put it over the car. Then we will cut over the decals. Then we can put it finally over there, so it will consume less time if we do it like that. So let's start like that. Okay, so we have completed half of the portion. So now we will do the red part of the decals here. So let's do that first. Okay, so finally we have completed the half portion, one side of the car. We will do the front bumper side, bonnet, and the trunk also. So now for now we have completed the one side. From 2 p.m. now it's 9 o'clock, more than 6 hours. We finally completed, no? Finally we have completed both the sides, but it's not yet completed. But the red color does reflect from here. The rest we'll do tomorrow. So today is day 2 of part 3 of the Accent makeover. So we will now go for the front and rear side of the car, and we also have the Honda City from the recent video. So now we will do the bumper side. Okay, let's continue.
কিছুমান বস্তু ফটোত ভাল নাহে ৰিয়েলত ভাল লাগে
Okay, now I'm recording with my phone because to show you the perfect red decals.